Do you know how to add hyperlinks? Today, I walk you through how to create hyperlinks in Microsoft Word. With hyperlinks, you can instantly guide a user to a website, another document, or an online resource with just a single click. Start by opening your Word document. I have a sample document here about generative AI. Highlight the text you want to turn into a link. This highlighted text will act as a button that takes people to your chosen destination. And then go to the Insert tab, click Links and choose Link, or simply right-click and select Hyperlink. Both methods work exactly the same. And then the Insert Hyperlink window will appear. Make sure the existing web page is selected. Copy the URL you want, paste it into the address field, and click OK. Now, clicking the text will open the linked website. You can also link to a file stored in your computer. Follow the same steps, but this time, click the Select button on the dialog box. Choose the file you want, click Open, then OK. Hyperlinks aren't just for text. You can add them to images too. Right-click the image, click Hyperlink, and follow the same process. You can also link to a different section within the same document. Open the Insert Hyperlink window and choose Place in this document. Select the heading or the bookmark you want, click OK, and you're done. Clicking the link will now jump directly to that location. Want the link to open an email draft? Highlight your text, right-click, choose Hyperlink, and select Email Address. Enter the recipient's email address and an optimal subject line, then click OK. When clicked, it will open your email client with a pre-filled draft. To remove a link, right-click the text, choose Hyperlink, and select Remove Link. And that's it, how to create, customize, and remove hyperlinks in Microsoft Word. It's quick, simple, and incredibly useful. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Make the most of your Microsoft Office skills to boost your productivity. Visit itel.com.sg to learn more.